Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Instructions. Line up the decimal points and determine the position of the decimal number in the final answer. Add and subtract as you usually would do with whole numbers. Taking a look at example A, and actually the other two examples as well, we'll notice that all the questions are lined up horizontally. So what's going to be important is to line up all the numbers within each question vertically with the decimal point all lined up. So 17.56, 1.001, and 450.3. So I'm going to add some zero placeholders. That way I don't make any mistakes when I'm adding vertically. And there's my decimal point in my answer, which lines up with all the other decimal points. And there's the final answer. Okay, question B. Once again, lining them up vertically, and decimal points are lined up. Nice easy question. 8 minus 3 is 5, 7, and 15 take away 8 is 7. And lastly, 200. Now, the decimal point in any whole number is invisible but understood at the end of that number. So then 151.255 naturally falls below. But what's going to be important here is to add some zero placeholders. And we can't take away 5 from 0. So what we're going to have to do is borrow all the way from the 2. It becomes a 1. And then these 10s will become 9s. And we'll cross out those zeros as we go along. And the last 0 becomes a 10. And then we will just subtract vertically again. And that's our addition and subtraction of decimal numbers.